What's the meaning of come down? Come down. Come down.
Come down. Come down. The term come down refers to the negative aftermath following a highly intense or euphoric experience. It typically refers to drug use, where the user experiences a sudden decrease in mood or energy after the effects of the drug wear off. This can result in feelings of depression, anxiety, fatigue, and other physical and psychological symptoms. The come down can last for several days and can be particularly challenging for individuals who struggle with addiction. It is important for individuals to seek support and treatment if they are experiencing a difficult come down.